Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Joe. As you can tell, I am still sick. I ended up coming down with laryngitis. I lost my voice for a while, but it's coming back a little bit and I think you guys can handle it. But anyway, what I have in front of me right now are the Xiaomi AirPods, I believe they call them. I mean, this one says Earbuds Basic or whatever, but they're made by Xiaomi. Pretty sure they're called AirPods, or not AirPods, that's the Apple stuff. I don't know, whatever. Obviously, it's no secret that Xiaomi, copies a lot of what Apple does. Not to say that a lot of people didn't copy the Apple AirPods or whatever the hell they call them. But basically, these are true wireless earbuds. Now, what that means, TWS or true wireless stereo, means that each earbud is separate. There's no wire that connects them, which is really handy. A lot of people like that. Now, obviously, can you lose them a little bit more easily? Yeah, of course. And that's why I didn't want to buy AirPods, because AirPods are ridiculously expensive. They're like $300 or something. And, a lot of people lose them. They say the battery life sucks on them or whatever. Anyway, I wanted to get myself a pair of true wireless earbuds, and I saw that Xiaomi made them. I'm super happy with Xiaomi products in the past. I think they make quality stuff at a really affordable price, so I jumped all over these. Now, obviously, these aren't going to be the same sort of build quality as AirPods. I wasn't really expecting that at all, but let's take a look at what's in the box before we go any further. So obviously the box is pretty nondescript right here. It says Bluetooth 5.0, so it's pretty good. It's got a charging case, so that means when the earbuds are in there, the case itself acts as a charger for the earbuds, okay? And so let's see, on the back here, just got some information here. It says wireless range, you get about 10 meters. Battery capacity is 43 milliamp hours per earbud. Charging time takes about an hour and a half. Talk time is about 4 hours. Standby time is about 150 hours. And, you got some other stuff in there. But let's open these guys up and see what's in the box. All right, so... Okay, well, there is the charging case. Let's see what else is in here. Can I pull this out? Yeah. Alright, I'll chuck that over there for now. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it looks like in here we've got just some different silicone earbuds. So again, if you have different ear sizes and stuff like that, not everybody's ear is the same, you can swap it. It looks like it's got some really, really tiny ones, some bigger ones. So the ones that are probably installed in there are probably just the average ones. So you get a couple. It's, I guess that's nice. Let's see what's in here. Jeez, this manual is kind of like a little novel. It's almost wild. So here we got me, true wireless, we're blah, 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 blah. So yeah, it's just a user manual. But if I can't figure out how to use these things, then there must be something wrong with me. Anyway, what else is in here? Must be a warranty card or something. Yep, warranty. Anyway, all right, let's put all that stuff off to the side. This is the real star of the show. So, first things first, this case, this charging case, is totally made of plastic. It's got a little bit of shine to it, but doesn't seem to pick up fingerprints or anything. It's very, very light. Which I don't mind. If I'm going to chuck these in my bag or whatever, I don't want them to weigh a ton. I got other stuff I got to carry around, and anyway. It charges via, it looks like that's a micro USB. Great. Now that I have everything, I just swapped over to USB-C because I got my Note 8T. Now I gotta have a micro USB charger somewhere. Why can't everything just be the same? I don't know. Anyway, you got the nice little embossed Me logo on there. So, and other than that, that's pretty much it. It's got some text on the bottom, but I can barely read it. I think it has something to do with, don't throw them in the trash or whatever. Anyway, that's it. Just like a little pill or something. Anyway, there's a little notch here so that you can flick it open. Nothing incredibly fancy, but there's the earbuds, guys. They got a little bit of plastic on them, but if we remove these, that's your earbud right there. So pretty small, pretty tiny. So as you can see, the case acts as a charger. So there's a battery built into this case. So when you are charging this, you're actually charging the case, the battery inside the case. And then these little guys got little tiny batteries inside of them so that when you pop them in there, it charges on the go. Oh yeah, see, there you go. It has some juice in it. So you can see the red light there. indicates that it's charging. Anyway, like I said before, you can swap these little silicone earbuds out if they don't fit your ears. Usually I don't have an issue with that. I can usually use the standard ones. Let me just peel this plastic off. So, what do I think of these guys? Well, they're pretty nondescript. Like, as you can see, it's probably in pairing mode right now. It wants me to connect it to something. But, I mean, they're light. They're very, very light. And, you know, there's no logo or anything on them. I mean, you know, I don't have a problem with that. I think the AirPods are kind of silly. I know that they have those, like, little antenna things that jut down. I don't really like that. These are a little bit more discreet, and I actually appreciate that. Now, does that mean I'll probably lose them? Yeah, probably. But these things are only $30. So the Apple ones are like 10 times the price, $300 or whatever. So, I mean, I don't know. If I lost this, I wouldn't be too torn up about it. Now, I've read, before I bought these, that these guys should automatically pair to each other. Now, these are clicky, so I don't know if you guys can hear that. But there's a little click there. And basically what that means is that when you want to pair it to your phone, you hold it down, it goes into pairing mode, you turn your Bluetooth on your phone, it finds them, and it's good to go. And basically these two guys see each other, they pair to each other, pairs to your phone, you're ready to roll. But if you want to answer a phone call, you tap this little button. Now, the issue with that is that these guys are so small and so light that when you do press, it tends to shift the whole earbud in your ear. So it can be quite uncomfortable, or it could make the move in such a way that now it doesn't feel all that comfortable in your ear or whatever. So you might have to just fiddle around with that a little bit. Again, it's a minor complaint, but some people will probably find that very, very annoying. These little guys, again, whatever they're called, they also support Siri and Google Assistant. So you double tap and you can pull up Siri or Google to help you out and issue directions or whatever the hell you do. I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I mean, these guys are pretty simple. There's nothing really in the box. Again, everything's plastic. There's no metal here. I would have preferred if they were maybe just aluminum or something lightweight, but just had a little bit more, I don't know, structural sort of integrity to it. But I mean, the plastic feels all right. They do feel well built. They don't feel super cheap. But again, it is plastic. Anyway, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll be back soon with another episode of Gizmo Joe. And this is Gizmo Joe signing off.